That is a Crypto 101 SVET course. Blockchain is a growing list of records called blocks that are linked together using cryptography. Each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, a timestamp, and a transaction data, generally represented as a Merkle tree. Cryptography from the ancient Greek crypto, hidden, secret, and graphein, to write or study, is a practice and study of techniques to secure communication in the presence of adversarial behavior. We have Bob, alias, key, and everything. A cryptographic hash function is a mathematical algorithm that maps data of arbitrary size to bit array of a fixed size, the hash. It is the one-way function that is a function which is practically infeasible to invert. It's not impossible, but practically infeasible. A Merkle tree is a tree in which every leaf node is labeled with the cryptographic hash of a data block and every non-leaf node is labeled with the cryptographic hash of the labels of its child node. So you see, it looks like a tree, and data are packed in these leaves, and then they are going, by the way, the tree going up, all this data going up. A distributed ledger, also called a shared ledger or distributed ledger technology, or DLT, is consensus of replicate, shared, and synchronized digital data geographically spread across multiple sites. You see, there's people that can have phones or computers most often, and they're just exchanging information and all data here, they are copied absolutely exact everywhere. That's why it's distributed. A block in blockchain, a fork, is defined variously. First, what happens when a blockchain diverges into two potential paths forward, Second, a change in protocol, simple change in protocol, create a fork. And a situation that occurs when two or more blocks have the same block height. And that's usually happens, it happens every day in any big blockchain, for example, in Bitcoin. A Byzantine fault tolerance, that's a biggie. Byzantine fault, Byzantine agreement problem, Byzantine generals problem is a condition of distributed computing systems where components may fail and there is imperfect information on whether a component has failed. Again, imperfect information about a component failed or not. So all of these participants, they don't know what other participants know. The terms take its name from an allegory. Tale, it's kind of something invented. The Byzantine generals problem developed to describe a situation in which, in order to avoid catastrophic failure of the system actors must agree on a concerted strategy, united strategy, one strategy. But some of those actors are unreliable, and that's the key. So generals, they are sieging the city, and some of these generals may be a traitor, or the messengers between them may not be sending the right information. So how we agree to storm the city? That's the Byzantine fault tolerance problem. And then cryptocurrency, or crypto, is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange wherein individual coin ownership records are stored in a ledger existing in the form of computerized database using strong cryptography to secure transaction records, to control the creation of additional coins, and to verify the transfer of coin ownership. And there are already like hundreds of thousands of these cryptocurrencies, although tradable probably less than 10,000. And a communication protocol is a system of rules that allows two or more entities of a communication system to transmit information. So protocol is a system of rules, and there are many protocols, for example, TCP/HP protocol, which we all use in every day. And then, of course, Satoshi Nakamoto is a name used by a presumed pseudonymous person or person who developed Bitcoin. So it's not anonymous, because anonymous, you don't know the name. We know the name, but we don't know the person, and most probably it's a wrong name. That's it. Thank you.